Hi, good morning students. This is Gurudev. So continuing our series of physics for NEET 2027. So I have picked up one question from previous year question paper. Maybe we can call it as re-NEET. The question is the car travels on a circular racetrack of radius 50 meter which is banked at an angle theta. If the car travels at a speed of 10 meter per second, then the wear and tear on its tire is minimum. Taking the acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meter per second square, the value of theta is. Okay. So this is basically a concept of circular motion where the car is traveling on a circular racetrack of radius 50 meter. For example, imagine this is a racetrack, circular motion. Okay, and the radius is 50 meter. Radius is 50 meter, which is bent at an angle theta. Now actually this is little difficult to draw because it's like just you can imagine when you are traveling and when the road is little curved in the highways or something like that, then there will be little banking, means there will be little elevation on the road on one side. Okay, so your car will travel like this. Okay, not exactly horizontal. It will be banked, means it will lean inwards little bit. So that is actually the theta. If the car travels at a speed of 10 meter per second, so this is the speed, means velocity. Then the wear and tear on its tire is minimum. See, wear and tear minimum means almost we can consider it as a frictionless, okay, or zero friction. Taking the acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meter per second square, the value of theta is. See, the concept is for a frictionless bank road, we have this formula tan theta is equal to v square by rg. We can also call it as minimum wear and tear. So when you come across this concept of minimum wear and tear, it is frictionless surface. Consider it as a frictionless bank road, and the formula is tan theta is equal to v square by rg, where v is the velocity of the car or a body, r is the radius of the circular path, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Then, so bank road plus minimum wear and tear and given speed. Minimum wear and tear means almost zero friction or no friction. So banking without friction. Now calculation, coming to the calculation part. Okay, I will take up this same formula. Tan theta is equal to v square divided by rg. Okay. What is v? V means velocity, which is 10 square divided by r is some. Also sometimes pay attention to the units. Maybe here the units are meter and meter per second and meter per second square. No need to convert any dimensions here. Okay. So sometimes they would have given centimeters, meters, kilometers. Then you have to convert everything into one particular unit and do the calculation. Okay. So here it's not necessary, but maybe in some other problems pay attention to the units also. Okay. Sometimes it's been maybe centimeter, kilometer, meters. Take care of that. Okay. So radius, the speed is 100 meter per second, 10 meter per second square, which is 10 square. R is 50. G is 10. Acceleration due to gravity is 10 constant. Or maybe they have given. Okay. Now simple this calculation. 10 square is 100 divided by 50 into 10. 50 ones are 52s are 1s are 5s are. So LHS is tan theta. So tan theta is 1 by 5. Then theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 5. Do you have that in the option? Yes. So theta is tan inverse 1 by 5. So other options we have is 2 root 3, 2 by 3, root 3 by 2. No. Very simple concept. Okay. Circular motion. So I have written this banked road, minimum wear and tear, and given speed. Okay. So whenever they say banking means bent little elevation on one side. So then use this formula tan theta is equal to v square by rg. So tan theta represents the banking, means the elevation of elevation of the road. Okay. Simple. Thank you.